What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna get some drink. McDonald's food is nasty, but they drinks be on point. So in this video, I'm super excited. So I just got home. So first of all, let me show y'all my new melanin leave-in. So hold on, don't go nowhere. Hold on. Ooh, okay. I gotta incorporate stuff when I can, you know. So this is Melanin Haircare. This is the one that I have had prior to, you know, this is the one y'all seen, right? But I didn't want to use it until I got another one. This is the original one, the one with the little pump and stuff. It's cute. This is the original one. I got this at Ulta. They are in stock, so I want to tell y'all that they are in stock. Okay, so yeah, I got mine. So but anyway, this is, hold on, let's get into this video. I'm just trying to see if I have any type of lip gloss, because my lips is chapped. Okay, this will work. I was supposed to come on here prepared, but yeah. Okay, I was chapped. All right, so this is my new, well, y'all can't see but this is my new ring light, y'all. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I got it from Walmart. Actually, I got it from Walmart, and it's bigger than the one I had, and it's better than the one I had. So I'm still recording off of my phone, but so okay, before I show y'all this ring light has been with me through trials and tribulations. It was my first ring light ever, and I'm very grateful for this ring light. But I'm gonna show y'all all my trials and tribulations, so don't judge. Okay, so this is what I was using before. Okay, yes, it has she has tape on her, but yeah, she kind of leaning to the side, but it's all right though. It worked. It lasted. Okay, this little phone thing, so it lasted. I got this from Amazon. It was like $30. So yeah, I ain't need nothing fancy because I was just started out, number one, and number two, I was recording off my phone, which I still am, but I didn't need a big ring light, you know. So yeah, but the problem was my cord. My cord would, like, I don't know how to explain it. It would, like, I don't know, it just, like, anytime I moved it a certain way, the cord would just, like, you know, not work. So yeah, I had to get a new ring light and things like that. So this is my old one, but the one I have is it's not much bigger, but it's bigger. Like, hold on, let me see. Okay, yeah, the one I have is a lot bigger than this one. So yeah, let's just put that to the side. So I'm just gonna show y'all what I have. I'll probably insert a picture of what the ring light looks like, but it's so cute, y'all. It's so cute. So this one is the Bauer 12 ring light studio kit with ball head and 62 tripod phone holder, and it comes with three light colors. So you know, you got that tan light, and then the other light, and then you have the regular ring light. So it's good for vlogging, live videos, video chat, social media, live streaming, health and beauty. It comes with a wireless remote. It's ultra wide range LED lights. It comes with a ball head, tripod. Yeah, okay, so I already said that. So this is what I got y'all, and guess how much I paid? Okay, I got this from Walmart, $35. This is what it looks like. Walmart's $35. You can't beat that. Like, okay, what I like to do is I love putting y'all on to new stuff. So for me, I enjoy recording off of my phone. It's easier. I upload from iMovie. I upload off my phone. I do everything from my phone pretty much. So for me, I don't feel like it's really necessary for me to get a camera right now, because it's just not necessary. Like, I don't think I'll ever get, I'm not gonna say I might not ever get a camera, but as of right now, like, I don't want a camera, you know? So, oh, if you want to know what phone I have the iPhone 11. Yeah, the iPhone 11. I got the iPhone 11. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. I have mine flat on the floor, so these things they lay flat, so mine are flat on the floor right now. But yeah, this is my ring light, y'all. I'm so happy and excited. I'm just excited to do videos now because I have my ring light. I've been wanting a new ring light for a minute now, and I didn't know which one to get. Like, I don't know if I wanted a big one or a small one, but I feel like this is good size for me right now at the moment. Like, this is a really good size, and I'm excited to record. I'm excited to do my videos. I really love this, and this is a nice little kit from Walmart for like $30 and some change. So yeah, but this one was $30 too, and it's smaller, and I think it came to me broken. Yeah, that's why the tape is on it. It came broken, and I was like, you know what, whatever, I'm gonna just let it do what it do. But this right here, this is nice. Okay, this is nice. This is real nice. You know what I'm saying? So y'all, I love this ring light. And you can dim it. It comes, hold on, let me see. Hold up, let me see. So okay, so that's like the, I don't know what kind of light this is. What light this is? The dim light, I don't know. And this is like another. Do y'all see the changes though? Okay, that's kind of hurt my eyes. Hold on, which one was it? Okay, yeah. Ooh. Okay. But yeah, y'all, I love my new ring light. I'm more happy to do videos now, because when I had this ring light right here, I was just like, I hope my ring light don't break down on me. You know what I mean? It was just that feeling like, I hope today is not gonna be the day that my thing gonna short out, you know? So now I don't have to worry about that. I could be on here and just do my videos, and I ain't gotta worry about nothing. I ain't gotta have no problems. This is nice. I'm feeling this. This is nice. I like this. Am I a center? Hold on, let me see. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control. Yo, this is so cute. So I literally just got home and unpackaged this. Like, I didn't waste no time. But yeah, I think that's it. Like, I don't even have nothing to say. I don't have nothing to show y'all. Like, I'm not gonna show y'all my setup because it's just like, no, I'm not gonna show y'all that. But if you are a video creator and you record off of your phone, this is a nice ring light. It's a nice size, and yeah, I'm not a new starter to YouTube, but I've been doing it for about a year now, almost 2 years. What? I'll say a year. Almost 2, yeah. I've been doing it for a minute. But yeah, y'all, this is a nice ring light. I like it. I like the lights. It's bigger. It's just nice. The stand. I like this ring light. And the price. The price is good too. $35 for this ring light is really good. So I'm excited. So yeah, Bauer ring light. I love this ring light, y'all. But yes, back to melanin hair care. So if you are new to my channel, I mean, if you are not new to my channel, you already know that melanin hair care is one of my favorite leave-ins. I haven't run out of anything yet, but I wanted to go ahead and get another leave-in. One, because I like this top better. I like this bottle better because of the top. Number one. And number two, I wanted to stock up because I use this a lot. Like I go through this. So this is $18 at Sally's. What happened? Not Sally's. What am I talking about? This is $18 at Ulta. $18 at Ulta. But what happened was I had a coupon. Like I said, y'all, queen of coupons. I don't pay full price for none of my hair products. I don't pay full price, you know. So for people being like, oh well, do you know any hair products on a budget? You just have to catch stuff on a sale, or make sure you have some coupons and stuff. Like, you know, I don't pay full price for anything. But so what happened was I was at Ulta and I had $3 off because I had a coupon for $3 off. So I paid initially what, 15? Where's my receipt? I think I threw my receipt away because I'm not returning this. But yeah, I paid like 15 or maybe $16 for this. So yes, coupon. Okay. And I shop at Ulta, so I gained my points and stuff. So yeah, I had $3 off. So yeah, I was able to get this. But yes, melanin hair care is definitely back in stock. Shop melanin hair care. I really think it's a great option for you because this is 16 fluid ounces. What? Leave-in, you know, is 16 fluid ounces. What leave-in? I'll wait. 16 ounces for $18. That's a good price. Really a good price. And it's been lasting me, but I just want another one. I wanted to because I like this leave-in. So yeah, shop melanin hair care. Get this ring light if you are a YouTuber, or if you take selfies. Like if you like to take professional pictures, get this ring light. Hold on, let me do it. All right, y'all, so I guess I'm done babbling. I'm done talking. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Latrice. And make sure post notifications are turned on. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see y'all in my next one. My next video will probably be... It's not going to be a wash day because I just did this twist out. And it's looking bomb, as you can see. The twist out is looking bomb. Okay. I don't know what my next video is going to be. I have no idea, actually. But yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Like I said, you could lay it flat or you can stand it up. It just looks good. I like it. $35 at Walmart. So yeah, that's definitely a steal. Y'all know I try to put y'all on anytime I can with the coupons and the sales and things like that. So $35 at Walmart, can't beat it. Go shop.